Hello, Super Writers. Our target skill for today is I can write opinion pieces using examples. We use reasons and examples to support our opinions when we write an opinion piece. Remember, these reasons and examples can be facts and evidence that we gain from our text. High Fly Guy. Let's take a closer look at your job today. Using this Planning My Opinion paragraph paper, you're going to answer the question, is Fly Guy a good pet? What do you think, boys and girls? State your opinion and then support your opinion with 2 reasons from the text. Use what you read and what you see in the illustrations to give me 2 reasons to support your opinion. Why do you think he is a good pet? Why do you think he is not a good pet? And then write examples. What did the characters say? What did the pictures show that tell you more? Don't forget, our closing sentence restates your opinion. Is Fly Guy a good pet? Yes or no? What do you think? Have fun, Super Writers. Hold on to this planning sheet and put it in a safe place because we will finish this writing job next week. Have fun, Super Writers, and I'll see you next time.